Hello and welcome to yet another video. Last week we covered how to add indicators on the TradingView, and in this video I'm going to cover how to screen the stocks. As you know, there's a first fundamental things you need to know what is your subset of stocks which you want to go through every weekend, and as part of peaceful weekend investing this is very important process. And TradingView does give you amazing feature which can help you slice and dice the data, which can help you into finding the next big winner for you. And are you ready for that? If you are enjoying these videos on TradingView, do give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. And also if you are liking our contents or you want to ask any questions, do drop in a note in the comment box below so that we can subsequently help you in your journey of investing. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is browser. So if you haven't got an account, you can simply go sbhatia.co/tradingview and you should be able to take you to the account, and you can open a free account with TradingView. All the features we are talking thus far are available completely for free in TradingView, and I have explained that all that information why it is important in the previous videos. If you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it after this video, because they are all kind of connected, but also you can watch it and the bite size individually as well. So that's where it can help you. You want to repeat it again, you can do that. That's why I'm creating these videos of zero to hero sessions. So let's get started on this. And this is my channel. As you can see, there's so many of the other videos I have created as a playlist. So it is a complete playlist. You can simply go to TradingView playlist, and you can see we are doing episode 6 for this. So let's go in. Once you log in, I've already logged in with my account. As you can see here, Peaceful Weekend Investing. My name is Shivendra, and we will go into Screener. Now, as you can see, this is the first thing you can see, Screener of stocks, forex, and crypto. Now if you are of interest of any of them, you can do that. I do track cryptos nowadays because it is completely beaten down, and also I'm on personally I am into fintech domain, so I kind of also keep a tab on what's happening in this fintech world of the financial the landscape, which is changing based on crypto because the regulations are coming through. But I mainly invest in stocks, and I'll keep that into a different video altogether, stocks versus crypto in my view around it. But let's focus on stock screening today. So once you go into Screener, so when you click on the stocks, so as you can see here, I've clicked on stocks, you are given with a lot of options here. As you can see, I have already customized it based on Peaceful Weekend Investing, Golden Cross, and various others. So you got different screeners. As you can see, let's go quickly. So just follow my mouse. Let me move around and see, just so that you can get a clear picture. Hold a sec. I'll keep it here, or probably you can switch up. Yeah, okay. So as you can see here, on the top of it, you can create a different column set. So there are different columns. You can save it. If you log in, you're allowed to save it, and you can select what columns you need. So this is 3 months low, 3 months high. You can select it, and you can keep adding onto the columns. And then you got overview, which is there. It's asking you to save it. I'll say yes, or I don't want to save it right now. I'm fine. Overview, performance of it, and it gives you gives you an option of, you can see the columns changes here: price, change percentage, change value, technical rating, volume into price, market cap, and PE, EPS, employee sectors, and all that information is given, and you can keep adding whatever you want. Right, so there are tons of columns available here, so many of them, but there's no point adding all of them if you're not using it. Just make sure you keep it nice clean here. And performance, it gives you performance based on 1 month, 5 months, 15 months, sorry, it's minutes, apologies, and it is 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and so on and so forth. So what you see is I generally don't trade it, so I can basically filter that out, so I don't need the minutes hour because I don't look into them, and I only prefer in a month and these ones. So I'm mainly interested in that. Then if it's extended hours, so you can, this is more, some of them are trading outside hours, but I'm not interested in. They do have financial information, and we'll cover that in some more details again. And I think for screening we need more information because this video will become big, so I'll try and keep it overview today, and then I'll make a deep dive as we go along in this journey, because there are tons of things which you can learn from here and get benefit out of this. And there's I'll create multiple use cases around that, so then you can get more ideas and improvise from where we are today. Okay. And again, platform, as you know, TradingView is a platform. It keeps improving every time. So whatever I'm teaching today, as of now, hold goods. So it will be always incremental, and I'll keep bringing more videos as and when they are bringing new updates around it. So if you are staying in touch and hit the notification bell, you would be, getting all those updates going forward. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give a thumbs up. So let's go. So that's a dividends, what being paid, and then got margin, income status, balance sheet, and then got oscillators and trend followings if you want to do that. SMA 50 and a BB up and down. So it is a pretty full on stuff here in terms of screening. And now each of the columns, let's go to overview again, and each of the columns are, you can sort it out. Like for example, I want to sort out by market cap. I just hit on this market cap and I can get it. But then you can see these two little bars next to it. If you click on it, I can filter further down based on I want only which are 300 million to 2 trillion. So I will automatically filter on those columns. So I will, now you can see only 40 matches there. Now I have selected based on certain screens, and there are some ready-made screens available, right? Earning this week, underperforming, 50 MA, new 52 week high, all-time low, all-time high, volume leaders, market cap, most capitalized. So I say no and I say yes, and I will get all the stocks in India market. As you can see, there's a flag, so I can select which market. And I can select multi-select as well. Let's say, for example, I want Australia and I want USA. Sorry. And USA has NASDAQ, NYSE, ACRA, and OTC. So we'll select all of them and apply. So now what I am doing here is I am doing multi-market screening process. How powerful is that? So I've selected 3 markets, and it is in US dollar currency because it is changed. It has to select on one of the currencies, and you can select the market currency as well if you want to. So it will go back to each market currency, which currency it is. Like for example, INR, and you can say most capitalized, and I will say where PE is below 6. Let's assume, I'm just making up. And now you got all the stocks which are below 6 PE with highest market cap in automatically sorted out. As you can see here, I want to focus here. So this is INR based, and then they got US dollar, which is Ford Motor 59 billion. And likewise, if you keep going, you see AUD, which is Australian dollar, Woolworth Group, which is like a retail market, and you will be able to sort out. And what is important here is the sector right next to it. Okay, so as you can see here, you can basically do filtering in all possible ways and slice and dice and filter it, right? And this way you can really get a subset of it. And what is my favorite of it is, like, I have my own process to do it. I want to share all the flexible options you have on the table on screening. And you can screen based on valuation. So whatever I've taught you here, you should be able to do that. Like for example, I want to do by performance also. So I want to only sort out which has for last 3 months has above 20%. Oops, I'm so sorry, it's 1 minute. Yeah, So above 20%, right? So it'll list you all of that above 20% which has been there. So you can see here for last 3 months only those stocks which are there, and once you go to overview you will be able to get the same list and all the values for that particular list. Okay, and likewise you can go to income statement, and then you can do based on gross profit, revenue, all that what I've talked about still holds true here. So for example, I can say EPS is above 1. Yeah, just for sake of making sure it is a positive EPS, earning per share, and you got a list of 43 matches based on most capitalized. And likewise you can have a new week 52-week high. I don't want to save it, and then you will be able to get all the stocks which are currently hitting new 52-week high. Now what is one more important thing here is that you can select weekly, you can select 5 minutes, weekly, 30 minutes, and 1 month. I only go with daily, weekly, and monthly. If you are into hourly chart and minutes, you can still do that. And I want to see how many stocks are making 52-week high in 3 markets. So there are 303 matches. Now I don't want to go through all of them, so I will further do the filtering process. Let's say for example I want to based on valuation. Okay, so let's say I want to only have market cap which is above 300 million. So I am straight away gone down to 133 stocks in 3 markets. If I want to do further, let's say I want to do a gross margin which is above 20%. So now I have gone down to 54 stocks which are hitting 52-week high, which is 1 year high, and all the 3 markets. And this is how I got the full list. And now when you click on it, what is important next is I will cover in next video is how you can quickly go through and create your watch list. And that is where the power of this TradingView lies. I hope you got this screening concept right. If you have any questions, put in the comment box below so that I can further assist you in this journey, because it's very, very important to understand this TradingView platform. Because whether you're an investor, trader, don't worry about it. This is a must how, and if even though sitting on the sidelines, it gives so much information which can help you in your own journey as well, personal journey. And I can share some tips about it, how I use this information even in your jobs as well. If you're looking to switch sectors, move to a different company, you'll get a hell lot of information here, and they're all like I would say second order derivative information which you can take from this platform. So I will let go from this particular point and continue building on to the next video, where I will show you how to create your watch list straight from after this point. Okay, till you have the next video, I would wish you a good luck in your investing journey, and see you in next video. Bye bye.